This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com with a look at today's top performing stocks in the US markets. And we can see here for February 14th, 2020. And we can see the top gaining stock for the US market today, this morning, is up 54%. And it's the same stock that I was talking about in yesterday's video as being one of our recent picks. I think yesterday was up 20 something percent. And today is up an additional 54%. So it is the number one stock in the US for January 22nd. And again, I was discussing this stock in yesterday's video, and you can check the video. It should be in the description of this video, where I was discussing the minimum requirements for why we like the stock as of late January. While scanning today's top gainers, I also noticed another one of our recent picks from a couple of days ago, just 3 days ago, is DXCM, and it is also one of the top performing stocks in today's market for today's single day action, as can be seen here. It is currently number 9 on today's top performing stocks. As I've been telling you guys, this is a simple method. You can find this method in the description of the video. And it is a simple method that keeps delivering, especially in a strong uptrending market or in a strong uptrending sector, or for individual stocks that meet the minimum requirement. This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ECS.